This week, the Yellowstone Native Fish Conservation Program is documenting our native fish recovery efforts at Grebe and Wolf Lakes. With support from Yellowstone Forever, the Yellowstone Fly Fishing Volunteer Program engages in fly fishing for science in current and proposed project areas. In 2017, native West Slope cutthroat trout and fluvial Arctic grayling were introduced to this watershed after biologists removed non-native rainbow trout using the fish toxin rotenone. The data collected by our volunteers help us document current progress and inform our future management actions. With over 2,600 miles of stream and 150 lakes in the park, this program allows Yellowstone's biologists to acquire data without having to travel to distant locations with sophisticated gear. My name is Andy Pucciani, biologist with the Yellowstone Native Fish Conservation Program.